Oke, halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, uh, we will discuss about work from everywhere. Okay, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Ribda Finovita Ningrum, and number is 071, and strict program is Administration of Office in class 21 and A. Okay, next. Description of work from everywhere. Work from everywhere is where when we work anywhere, flexibility adjusts the place and time around. And here I will take one example of work from everywhere, which is very familiar to our ear, namely is work from home. Okay, description of work from home is a term of working remotely, more precisely working from home. So work do not need to come to the office face to face with other workers. Work from home is familiar to freelancer, but the term they more often call it remote work or remote working. Work from home and remote working actually make no difference just term. The only difference is the rules of the company they work. Some apply normal working hour 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or free working hour as long as the work is done and communication is able first respond. Okay, uh, work from home is now dream of many people, especially for the current millennials generation. How come? You don't need to get up early, then take a shower and get ready to go to the office by crashing the script jams that take up a lot of time. It's enough to just use massive clouds to open the laptop from home and work. Okay, next advantage of work from home. Okay, there are several advantages in implementing work from home for companies and workers. First, the company operation expense decrease. Company do not need to provide computer, workplace, internet, electricity, and lunch for worker. This can increase the cover of income for companies that implement work from home. Second, increase productivity. Statistic from the emailanalytic.com website explain that 77% of work done at home increase productivity. This happened because the level of work stress decreased so that work productivity increased. And several things can cause stress, such as traffic jam, bills of work, problem with co-worker, and other problem that are of them in cause in the office that cause a lot of interaction of work. Next, thirdly, work-life balance increase. Work-life balance is a balance between work and daily life. By working from home, you can be closer to your family and the surrounding environment, so that your life balance is fulfilled. This balance between work and life can be achieved when he has good work productivity, so that he can allocate time according to their respective portion. For office workers in the capital city, it seems that getting a work-life balance is a bit difficult because they often get stuck in traffic jam, so time often runs out on the road. Okay, next, avoiding work environment disruption. Have you ever had a coworker in the office who is toxic, any annoying or often creates problem? Of course, There are people in every office. Okay, now people like this are very disturbed in terms of work productivity. Not to mention or other distraction in the office that affect a lot in terms of working mood and productivity. In contrast to when you work from home, that atmosphere is more comfortable, calm, and conducive, and so that you are most focused on work. Next, job satisfaction increase. Decreased stress level make job satisfaction increase. When you are able to complete work better and faster, of course, this will increase job satisfaction so that employee become loyal to the company. Okay, next, closer to family. Working from home will directly bring your closer to your family. Especially for those of you who have small children who need and attention from their parents. Okay. Last is flexible. In working, work from home is more flexible, especially when bored or at work. You can move from your desktop to the living room, terrace, the garden, bedroom, or other room in the house that is comfortable for your work. Addition to being flexible in terms of the place of work, in terms of working from home time, it can also be adjust flexibility. The most important thing when working from home, employees can be responsible from their work. Next is deficiency of work from home. Behind the many advantages of working from home, there are several drawbacks that need to be aware of when implementing work at home. Okay, first is work motivation can be lost. Work motivation can be lost because the atmosphere is very different from working in the office. Moreover, there are more temptation at home and there is not supervision from the direct supervisor. This making for work motivation disappear over time. One of the signs with work that is always led from the deadline that has been determined. Okay, next is home operation cost increase. All operational costs of working automatically move everything when you work from home. Starting from electricity, internet, and food, which were previously the responsibility of the office. For that, you can coordinate with the office regarding work from home, operational cost, because this is the responsibility of the office. Next is monitoring workers is difficult. Monitoring workers when working from home is more difficult than working in the office directly. If your company already has a good system in place to monitor every worker and is not too rigid in terms of regulation, then this is not a big problem. And next, many work interruption. Not every job done from home and can run smoothly. There are so many disturbances, especially from children and families, not to mention the people around who think that they are just idle at home when in fact they are working remotely. For that, you need to let everyone know that you are working from home. Next is not all work can be done from home. Okay, before deciding to work from home, make sure you think carefully about the advantage and disadvantage or deficiency of work from home. Okay, next is data security issues. Security is one of the issues that need to be considered when working from home. Important work data is not recommended to be sent using the regular network. New work. Okay, last is last is miscommunication. Communication is the biggest challenge when working from home. For this reason, you must always be online and easy to contact, so that when there is a discussion or coordination, you don't miss any information. The frequency of communication must also be done as often as possible to keep communication between teams running well, and there will be not miscommunication. Okay, next is suggestion that work from home can remain productive. First is have clear communication with superiors and make sure to understand what the leadership expects. Second is as much communication as possible, either by voice or phone, text, short messenger, and face-to-face or virtual, Zoom, Google Meeting, and other. Thirdly, carry out work from home, such as the implementation of routine work in the office. Okay, next, if you do not have a workplace at home, as much as possible, make a special space for work. Next, provide working hours limit. And the next, as much online face-to-face interaction as possible via video call, giving your boss regular news. And last is superior must provide direction in the form of clear communication and maintain the moral of subordinates. Okay, I will to ask tips work from home atau work from home tips. In ensure smooth connection because all work is done online, and internet connection is the key when working from home. If you have subscribes to cable internet, you don't need to worry. But for those of you who use a cellular network, make sure the connection is smooth. Next is the connection must be secure. The connection that must be secure because work from home does important office work, especially to relate to sensitive data such as customer data, finance, and the like. It should not be sent over a regular network. You need to use a secure network with a VPN. A virtual private network is a private internet connection service through a public network. And next is make a normal laptop. Make sure the laptop to work normally does not experience significant problem. It's possible the laptop use is the one usually used when working in the office. So all applications that are often used are complete, no need to install again. In addition, make sure that all important data on the laptop is complete. For those of you who work using a desktop computer, if possible, just bring a computer home if you don't have a computer that can be used. Okay, next is use work productivity tools. Because work is done online, you need to maintain from productivity so that it does decrease. Work from home is not excuse. So a solution that can be used is to use online office work tools such Google Suite or other. Next is communication with the team. Now, this communication is crucial thing in productivity of work from home. If while working in the office, you can easily call or discuss direction with teams. But when you work from home, you need to ask online communication apps between teams. If you already using the Google Suite service from Keyword, you can use the Hangouts application to communication with the team. There are future from the video call chatting, and sending picture, all of which are real-time connection directly to the main email. Next is comfortable work bins. The goal is that you don't get bored working with a different atmosphere from your usual office desk. Don't forget to use a comfortable work gear so you don't get tired easily. It's not recommended when working from home with lying down. Usually is it will not last long, after which you will feel sleepy. Okay, next is wear work clothes. Even if you're working from home, try before you start taking a clean shower and then wear your normal work clothes. Maybe it's look a bit strange at home wearing work clothes. Why not just use a street and short? Yes, the answer will later affect the productivity of your work. Try to practice this method. Will definitely see the difference. Next is create the target. Work that does not have a clear target is definitely not optimal. There is actually a lot of lazy people for this work. For this working from home system, you can use collaboration apps for work. Trello allow you to monitor team performance in just one dashboard, so it will be seen which ones are on target and which haven't. Okay, next is avoid feeling isolated. This existence of this work from home started because of the coronavirus. This is what makes everyone isolated and cannot go anywhere. This is done to prevent the coronavirus from spreading further. Some people will feel isolated because usually when they work, there are many teams and friends around them. For that, you can communicate with fellow teams intensely, so you don't feel lonely working alone from home. Okay, and last is keep the spirit. Always keep the spirit of work so that work productivity remains high. Okay, I think it's enough. There is my presentation. I'm sorry because I'm at. And the last I can say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.